Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out those links down below in the description area to apply for a new credit card and to get 2 free stocks from Webull when you open a brand new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account. I'd love to know which 2 free stocks you get. Now, the reason for that somewhat bizarre intro and the unrealistically large image of the credit card over here is because I actually don't have this credit card right now, so this was the best visual that I could get. But it doesn't look too good with all those wrinkles and lines in it, does it? I'm gonna fix that right now. 3, 2, 1. Much better. So if you haven't already figured it out, today I'm going to be reviewing the Bank of America Premium Rewards credit card. I'll be going over the perks, benefits, features, rewards, you name it, I'll cover it in this video. That way you'll be able to determine if it's a good card for you to apply for or if there's something better on the market that you should go get instead. So let's begin with the part that everybody wants to know about first, which is the welcome bonus. As of March 2021, you'll be able to earn 50,000 points after spending $3,000 in the first 90 days of card membership. The value of that bonus will be $500, and that will hold true no matter how you redeem your points. Regarding how you can earn points over the long term, you'll get double points on all travel purchases, double on dining, and 1.5 points on all other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $95. Now, because there are so many different cards out there on the market today that have travel as one of the rewards categories, it's always very helpful to know what travel actually means with each card issuer and each card individually. So here is a very helpful aid for you to figure out what Bank of America means when they say travel. I'm very happy to announce that the list of eligible travel purchases for that double point category is very long. It includes things like airlines, hotels, timeshares, trailer parks, campgrounds, cruise lines, travel agencies, taxis, buses, toll roads, and a whole lot more. Feel free to pause this screen as long as you need to look at all the different parts here. And this list is also not 100% complete. This is just everything that Bank of America listed on their website. So there's still a chance that something else may code as travel on your card if it falls underneath one of these bigger categories. Thank you, Bank of America, for making it so easy to earn so many points in so many categories with this card. Now, in case you're thinking that earning double points per dollar is not that competitive anymore because we have so many other cards earning triple, 4x, or even 5x on so many categories these days, there's one part of Bank of America's program called the Preferred Rewards program that is different than the premium credit card that we're talking about. That can actually make all the point multipliers worth a whole lot more if you have a pre-existing relationship with Bank of America or Merrill Lynch. And here is what that's all about. The Bank of America Preferred Rewards program is extremely valuable with a ton of different perks and benefits, one of which applies directly to their credit cards. Based on the assets that you have with Bank of America, either in deposit accounts like a checking or a savings account, or invested on the Merrill side of the equation, there are different tiers that you can qualify for based on the total balances that will allow you to earn elevated rewards on the credit card products, including the Premium Rewards card that we're discussing in this video. At the gold level, meaning you have a 3-month combined average daily balance between $20,000 and $50,000, you can get a 25% bonus on your credit card rewards. Then at the platinum level, meaning you have a 3-month combined average daily balance between $50,000 and $100,000, you can get a 50% rewards bonus on your credit card. And finally, at the platinum honors level, meaning you have a 3-month combined average daily balance of $100,000 or more, you can get a 75% bonus on your credit card rewards. To make things very simple for you all, I created a table and placed it at the bottom of the screen, showing you the rewards category on the Premium Rewards credit card on the far left, and then the actual point multipliers that you can expect to get at each of the levels in the Preferred Rewards program. So at the gold level, you'll be earning 2.5 points per dollar on travel and dining, and 1.875 points per dollar on all other purchases. Platinum will give you triple points on travel and dining, and 2.25 points on all other purchases. And Platinum Honors will allow you to earn 3.5 points per dollar on travel and dining, and 2.625 on all other purchases. So if you decide to build a deposit or investment relationship with Bank of America / Merrill, it can turn your credit cards into extremely powerful reward systems. And that could mean more cash in your pocket or more vacations every single year. Now, when it comes to redeeming your points, you can do so for cash back, which includes statement credits, depositing to a checking or savings account, or depositing to an investment account through Merrill. You can also choose gift cards or travel through the Bank of America travel portal. Whichever option you prefer in the moment, you will get a flat 1 cent per point rate on your points. So as an example, your 50,000 point welcome bonus will be worth $500. Now let's take a look at the perks and benefits. First up is an airline incidental credit. You can get up to $100 each year for qualifying purchases, including seat upgrades, baggage fees, in-flight services, and airline lounge fees. You'll receive credit reimbursements for all of these types of eligible purchases up to $100 per year, and they will be applied automatically to your card statement. Then there's a TSA PreCheck or Global Entry credit. You can get a statement credit towards either application fee every 4 years. That is $85 toward TSA PreCheck and $100 toward Global Entry. As a Visa Signature card, you'll get access to the Luxury Hotel Collection, allowing you to enjoy premium benefits at select hotels around the world when you book through the portal. The perks may include things like room upgrades, late checkout, on-site perks and credits, and more. And there's also the Visa Signature Concierge service, so you can get help with things like travel planning, restaurant recommendations, and event reservations. Also, there are no foreign transaction fees on this card. I'd also like to mention this thing called BankAmira Deals. You can basically think of these like little cashback rebates at select merchants that have partnered with Bank of America. When you log into your account, either online or on the mobile app, you can add offers to your card, and then you receive additional cashback rewards on top of your normal card earnings after you make purchases at those merchants. So for example, on the screen here, you see 5% back at Five Guys, 10% back at 1-800-Flowers, 5% back at Airbnb, 10% back at Starbucks, and a whole lot more. These offers do rotate over time, so I recommend checking back around once a week to see if any new offers have been loaded to your account. They can add to your card and boost your rewards. Now for the insurance and protections on this card, and there are a lot of them. There's the auto rental collision damage waiver, roadside dispatch program, trip delay reimbursement, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, baggage delay protection, lost luggage reimbursement, travel and emergency assistance services, emergency evacuation and transportation coverage, purchase security, warranty manager service, and return protection. In case you'd like to learn about the terms and conditions and limits on each of these different benefits, I'll put the link down below in the description area that we can learn more and see if any of these can benefit you on your next trip. Now, there are a few things that are good to know about this card and the rewards themselves. There are no limit on how many points you can earn each year, and your points will not expire, at least as long as your card is open and active. And lastly, Bank of America tends to be a relationship bank, so your chances of approval for this card and other cards that they issue will likely be higher if you have a banking relationship with them first. Now, it's not a hard rule that you must have a pre-existing relationship with Bank of America in order to apply for the cards, but a lot of data points that I've seen do seem to suggest that having a pre-existing relationship with B of A does tend to work heavily in your favor. So now that we've come to the end of the video, we have to answer the big question of, should you be getting this card anytime soon? Well, let me help you answer that question by going through a few scenarios that'll make the decision process a whole lot easier. You should consider this card if you spend on travel and dining, if you're a budget traveler, if you value simple and flexible rewards, and by that I mean the travel value from your points is the same as the cashback value, so you won't have to worry about any conversion rates at all. And also if you have a relationship with Bank of America and or Merrill, because that will be hugely advantageous in terms of giving you the higher rewards rates. All that said, you should probably say no to this card if you don't travel much, if you want huge rewards value for expensive travel like luxury hotels, international flights, etc., or if you want transfer partners which allow you to convert your points into hotel points or frequent flyer miles of another program. You should also pass on this card if you want transfer partners like you can get with other rewards programs from Capital One, American Express, Chase, and Citibank. Also, if you don't like annual fees, this is not a great card for you, or if you want VIP travel perks, because you don't really get that with this card. So there's the Bank of America Premium Rewards card in a nutshell. It's overall an okay, decent, kind of average card. Those double point categories are not that compelling on their own, but this card becomes much more exciting if you have the preferred rewards working for you, giving that 25%, 50% or 75% bonus on top of your normal base earning rates. I'd also add that if you're brand new to the credit card rewards side of the equation, meaning you've already built up your credit and you want to get some more premium type cards, then this card is a good starter to get more familiar with travel redemptions in a very simple way. The welcome bonus alone will put $500 in your pocket after meeting the required spend, and the points themselves are very easy to redeem for a wide variety of different travel purchases. So on the whole, I'd say that Bank of America did a very good job with this card for simplicity and for the banking relationship style bonus, making this card great for beginners and for those who have larger deposit accounts and investment accounts alike. But could it be a lot better? Absolutely. With that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to apply for a new credit card and to get 2 free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account. I'd love to know which 2 free stocks you get. I'm also curious to know if you already have this card out there and if you use it as your day-to-day type of card or if you use something else instead. Let me know down below in the comments area. Thank you all for tuning in to today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.